I hear one of that kind of lie. About 20 and 28 million. Lie!
The Prime Minister is behaving in an increasingly unhinged manner. His behavior in Parliament last week, Tuesday.
He's a proud man, you know. You don't like people that like on him.
Well, what should be burning him is the problem of crime and violence affecting the country, the disastrous education system.
So Wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video, yeah, and big up to all of my viewers and subscribers, yeah, but from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today, yeah, and today we're forward for talk about Mark Golding responding to Andrew Holness for calling him a liar. So basically people, in a recent party conference, Andrew Holness stated that Mark Golding was a liar for telling the Jamaican public that Andrew Holness got a pay increase of $28 million, and Mark Golding responded back to Andrew Holness stating that his actions and his behavior was unhinged and totally unacceptable. So people who need to stick around for all of that. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the video so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing, you see me, we are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere, don't move, me soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
The highest paid political man in Jamaica is the leader of the opposition.
He's the one who has given me that pay increase, him. So how can he be complaining about the size of it?
He will run the ministry. He have no duties to do, public eyes. I don't have to make mistakes.
Yet they're paying themselves increases of over 200 to 300%. And when the pressure reached him, although he was the one who in his cabinet approved those increases, when the pressure reached him, he said he not take it as Prime Minister.
So now people, we see where in which Mark Golding responded to Andrew Holness calling him a liar. Well basically people, Andrew Holness was in a party conference where he claimed that Mark Golding was a liar for saying that Andrew Holness got a pay increase of $28 million. So basically Andrew Holness is saying that is a lie because he didn't take any pay increase. He refused it, and Andrew Holness even said that Mark Golding was the highest paid minister in Parliament. But people, we all know that Andrew Holness didn't refuse that pay increase until the Jamaican public came out and speak out against it. You see me I say? So Mark Golding is responding to Andrew Holness and making it clear to Andrew Holness that he should remember that he gave him that pay increase. So basically Mark Golding I say him never asked for that pay increase. You see me I say people? And Mark Golding only accept 20% of that pay increase. So basically people, I want you to tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we discuss it, because basically Andrew Holness has said fee pay is only $8 million, and I quote, little bit of money according to him, because basically I know for sure most Jamaicans would be glad if they could say the same thing, that $8 million is a little bit of money. But here people, me I go just make you check out what Andrew Holness really did I say in a theme speech, and then we're gonna come back to what Mark Golding was saying. Also remember to leave your honest thoughts down into the comment section, so check it out.
The highest paid political person in this country. Who is the highest paid political person in this country? Think about it. There are two persons that share the same salary. Is that me? My salary is about 8.5 million Jamaica. Little bit of money. I hear one of that kind of lie. About 20 and 28 million. Lie! You don't take the salary increase. So my salary is what it was before. And I tell you something, I feel like just keep back up. Because he's a proud man, you know. You don't like people that like on him. So, you feel like just keep back up. The highest paid political man in Jamaica is the leader of the opposition. Almost 3 times my salary. And same salary. But you check it. He will run the ministry. He will have no duties to do for public wise. I don't have to make this gift. Yes, a political party exists for election. But we are not just a political party. We are a political party that runs the government. So we have to make sure that we have results to bring to the people.
So people, what do you really think about what Andrew Holness really as a writer? So? Because basically him say his salary is what it was before, and in fact we already know that because he didn't take the pay increase. But him also say him will give back the money because him is a proud man and him not like people tell lie on him. So basically that is why Mark Golding said his behavior was unacceptable because of the way how him bring it across. But people, we all know that both parties have the same set of behaviors, especially when they are on top. So none of them are really better than none. And worse, Pat can't cuss Keckley, you see me I say. But what you really think about Andrew Holness saying that they have to bring results to the people? You understand what I mean? Just tell me the truth, viewers and subscribers. Are you seeing those results? Let me know down into the comment section. So right now, people, me are going to make you check out what Mark Golding respond to Andrew Holness and say. You see me I say? So right now, just check it out, you see me? And make me know what you think down into the comment section about all of this.
So the Prime Minister is behaving in an increasingly unhinged manner. His behavior in Parliament last week, Tuesday, where he was so shrill and talking about he's fed up or, you know, what bun him, thank you, what bun him about what's happening now with how critical people are in social media. And what should be bunning him is the problem of crime and violence affecting the country, the disastrous education system where we're generating high percentages, much too high percentages of primary school children going into secondary school who can't read, can't write, can't do basic maths. You know, the cost of living crisis that has impacted people so badly coming out of the pandemic and the inflation of the global inflation from that, where the response of the government has been hopelessly inadequate to deal with the vulnerable citizens of the country, yet they're paying themselves increases of over 200 to 300%. And when the pressure reached him, although he was the one who in his cabinet approved those increases, when the pressure reached him, he said he'd not take it as Prime Minister. And I don't know how that decision can even be implemented unless cabinet has approved it, which at that time they had not. I don't know if they have subsequently approved it. But his behavior is erratic in this regard. And now, yesterday, I see him on a platform blaming me for being the best paid public servant, you know, which is ridiculous. I never asked for what I got, and I have decided to keep only 20% of the increase. He's the one who has given me that pay increase, him. So how can he be complaining about the size of it? And as I said, in due course, he will be in my position and earning it. So he should be careful what he said.
So people, you know when I say to myself, them two parties, two of them are hypocrite and them all them do I criticize them one another about who I do this from who I do that, when if both were on the opposite side, them would do the same thing. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, that's why Jamaica can better, because the head of the country is one big mix up. You see me I say, and one big soap opera. You understand what I mean? But basically people, you know, see everything we're going in at the video, I want to leave on honest thoughts down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we discuss it. Let me know what you really think about all of this. You see me I say, because I already have my opinion about it, but I want to hear full opinion. You see me I say. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like. Yeah man, just give it a like right now. Thank you very much. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing. You see me? One Flava family. Peace, love, I'm out.